big highlight was hearing other experienced Black writers talk about my work and really bring the characters to life. I've never heard my stories being discussed in this light, so it was really great to hear from other people who can relate to this experience and them sharing.
The camaraderie, being able to speak your truth in a room where it would be accepted and positive feedback.
And then in the classroom for the workshop, being in a space and in a workshop with only Black writers, and so kind of right off the gate, them understanding my work and understanding the message behind my work and not having to over-explain things.
These are our stories, and we should not trust them to other people who historically have not sort of done things in our best interests. Our stories should be told by our people, should be communicated by our libraries, should be reproduced by our publishers. I'm not trying to exclude anyone from the space, but I think that there is a sensitivity to Black stories, both now, contemporarily, but also historically, that we have to look at and be sensitive to when we're producing Black literature. What's my relationship with the Hurston Wright Foundation? They recently awarded me, I don't know where they found me, dug me up and gave me a Lifetime Merit Award for the work that I've been doing in New York City, particularly in my borough of the Bronx, New York.